I'm making a hidden magnetic key tray from wood. Wait till you see the keys snap into place.
Precision is key when it comes to the layout. I'm marking the exact spots for the hidden magnets. This ensures everything lines up perfectly.